Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you would like to see how to create this Emily from the Corpse Bride body paint look, then just keep watching.
Alrighty, so first things first, I'm going to pop in some whiteout contact lenses from Camo Eyes. I have a coupon code in the description bar down below if you guys would like to purchase any. And then I'm going to go in with the Elmer's non-toxic child-safe glue stick, and I'm just going to apply that very, very thick on my brows, like a couple layers. Trust me, you want those brows hidden. Then I'm going with the Mayron Paradise Aqua palette, and I'm going in with the light blue shade that they have for this body paint. This gives that perfect look to the Corpse Bride's skin tone. Corpse, yeah. So cover the entire face, work down the neck, and across the chest and the shoulders, making sure to put 2 layers on so it's super thick and you don't see your skin underneath. Once that's all done, I'm going in with Mayron Paradise White, and I'm just creating the contour highlights of the face. So the forehead, the under eyes, down the nose, the other under eye, and the chin. So you want to do it in a tapping motion so you don't wipe off the blue that's underneath. Tapping allows it to blend in and gives it that nice streak-free finish. Taking a smaller brush and the white paint, I'm doing the exact same thing closer to my lower lash line to get real up close so you don't see any bags under my eyes. Now moving on to the chest. So I'm taking a big flat brush, taking the white, and I'm just highlighting the natural ways that my skin goes. So the little V that you have on your neck, the collarbone, the little shoulder muscle V area, I don't know what that's called, but that little area, as well as the top of the bosoms. Don't forget the sternum, the center part of the chest, and work in lines for the rib cage to make it look like it's popping out more skeleton Corpse Bride like. I'm going in with this Mayron 35C palette in that gorgeous blue color, and I'm just shading around the white that I just did. So this gives it more dimension and makes me look hollow, if you know what I mean. Gives it that corpse-like effect. Making sure to re-dip the brush or re-tap the brush in the eyeshadow to get a nice thick dark line. That's what the chest looks like at the end. Now going on to the face with a big fluffy brush and the same blue eyeshadow color, I'm just contouring out my cheekbones, my jawline, making sure to blend it out really nice and apply a lot of color. Also my nose and the temples / forehead of the face. You want to make sure you have enough color on there so it really pops and gives it that natural contoured look. Now going in with this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Cobalt, I'm just popping that on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out with a big fluffy brush, making sure to work it into my crease because this is going to be the base for the blue eyeshadow that we use to contour the rest of the body. So working that in the crease and up, and then also with a tinier brush, working it into the lower lash line and using the fluffy brush again to blend it out in the lower lash line and outer corner of the eye. Now going with some black eyeshadow in the same fluffy brush and putting it all on the eyelid and working it slowly into the crease and the lower lash line. Now with a fine tip brush and some Mayron black paint, I'm just creating the sad eyebrows of the Corpse Bride. Once those are done, I'm just creating that little opening tear that she has on her one cheek to expose some of her teeth. So doing the rough outline with that black paint and the brush, filling in half of it with black, and now outlining with white around the opening, just to give it that highlighted, ripped look, make it look like it's tearing upwards, if you know what I mean. Then back in with the black paint to fix the edges to make it look very thin and whipped. I don't know what I'm talking about, like a wing, very thin rips, if you know what I mean. to make it look like it's ripping further. Yeah, that's what I mean. Now back with the white paint, I'm just filling in the other half for the teeth and putting lines between to look like teeth. Now it's on to the lips. With my NYX Liquid Suede in Tea and Cookies, I'm just going to apply that to my lips with a very overdrawn top lip and 2 big humps, kind of like a heart, if you know what I mean. Then connecting it all and finishing up the lip. This gives that perfect pink pout that she has. Now it's on to the eyes. You gotta fix those bad boys. So I'm going in with the NYX Wicked Lashes in the style WL17. Yeah, Wicked Lashes 17. Then I'm going to apply them like so. I didn't do mascara because I felt like it would make my eye closed in. So I left my eyelashes plain and just wanted the fake lashes to really open up my eyes and make them look bigger. Dab those puppies on and make sure they are nice and glued on, bringing them upward just a bit just to make sure they stick. Now with my NYX Pure White pencil, I'm lining my waterline. Make sure to poke your eyeball a bunch to make it red. You're not doing it right if your eyeball is not red. Now it's time for the wig. I'm going in this gorgeous LushWigs blue wig. How many times can I say wig in 30 seconds? So I'm popping that baby on. It is gorgeous and it is perfect for this Corpse Bride Emily look. Now, as you guys can tell, I'm just pinning back the sides of the hair because it was kind of in my face, if you know what I mean. So pinning it back to make it more natural and flowy and curly. And that is the entire Emily look. I went with the glamour instead of cartoon, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, I really appreciate you making it to the end of this video to hear me talk a little bit about this makeup look and Halloween and just awesome things in general. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video and watching through and sticking to it. You guys are awesome. You're the real MVP. I hope you know that. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this little Emily from the Corpse Bride makeup tutorial. It was really fun to create. I've always wanted to create it, and finally I did. I see so many people on the internet, on YouTube, recreating this look in their own ways, like the cartoon, the realistic, and I just wanted to go the realistic way. That's how I felt today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more, as well as comment down below what you think you're gonna be for Halloween or if you're gonna recreate this look. I'd love to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.